Hello everyone. Good morning. Namaste. You are watching the best preparation and we are going to study have to, has to and had to. Have to. Have to means पर्छ. Don't have to. पर्दैन, हुँदैन. Okay? I, we, you, they, the boys जस्ता प्लुरल सब्जेक्ट्सहरू र आइसँग ह्याभ टु को प्रयोग हुन्छ के भन्नको लागि त भन्दा पर्छ भन्नको लागि नु छ भन्ने पनि यही हो आई ह्याभ टु गो नाउ म अहिले जानु पर्छ आई ह्याभ टु गो नाउ ओके or you don't have to call me फोन गर्नु पर्दैन okay you don't have to take your documents ल्याउनु पर्दैन don't have to let's see some examples I have to help her मैले उनलाई सहयोग गर्नु पर्छ or I don't have to help her मैले उनलाई सहयोग गर्नु पर्दैन that means I needn't help her or she doesn't need my help so I don't have to help her okay you have to finish this work तिमीले यो काम सिद्ध्याउनु पर्छ or तिमीले यो काम अहिले सिद्ध्याउनु पर्दैन भन्दा you don't have to finish this work now that means you can do it later भरे गर्न पनि सक्नुहुन्छ you don't have to finish this work now तपाईले यो काम अहिले सिद्ध्याउनु पर्दैन तर पर्छ भने you have to finish this work now okay they don't have to go there तिनीहरू त्यहाँ जानु पर्दैन they don't have to go there तिनीहरू त्यहाँ जानु पर्दैन or you can say तपाई यहाँ आउनु पर्दैन भन्नु पर्यो भने you don't have to come here you don't have to come here तपाई यहाँ आउनु पर्दैन तपाई अहिले यहाँ आउनु पर्छ you have to come here now okay what do I have to do मैले के गर्नु पर्छ what do I have to do मैले के गर्नु पर्छ अब तिमीले 4 कप चिया बनाउनु पर्छ भन्नु पर्यो भने you have to make 4 cups of tea you have to make 4 cups of tea okay or तिमीले 5 जनाको लागि ओछ्यानको व्यवस्था गर्नुपर्छ you have to manage the beds for 5 5 जनाको लागि बेड म्यानेज गर्नु पर्छ you have to manage beds for 5 यसरी have to को प्रयोग हुँदो रहेछ र कुन कुनसँग have to लाग्छ पनि मैले भनिसके I, we, you, he, I, we, you, they, the boys, प्लुरल सब्जेक्ट्सहरुसँग र आइसँग है सिंगुलरसँग लाग्ने अर्कै हुन्छ जस्तो has to पर्छ doesn't have to पर्दैन हुँदैन यो has to चाहिँ he, she, it, Ram, the boy जस्ता सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्सहरुसँग has to को प्रयोग गरिन्छ र रामले अहिले यहाँ आउनु पर्छ भन्नु पर्यो भने Ram has to come here now. Okay? रामले अहिले यहाँ आउनु पर्दैन Ram doesn't have to come here now. Okay? अब उसले तिमीलाई सहयोग गर्नुपर्छ He has to help you. Okay? उसले तिमीलाई सहयोग गर्नु पर्छ उसले यो काम सिध्याउनु पर्छ He has to finish this work. He has to finish this work. उसले यो काम सिध्याउनु पर्छ उसले यो काम दिउँसो 2 बजीसम्ममा सिध्याउनु पर्छ भन्नु पर्यो भने यही हुन्छ तर by 2 PM जोडिन्छ उसले यो काम दिउँसो 2 बजीसम्ममा सिध्याउनु पर्छ He has to finish this work by 2 PM. By 2 PM. दिउँसो 2 बजेसम्ममा ओके उ त्यहाँ जानु पर्दैन अथवा जानु हुँदैन भन्नु पर्यो भने He doesn't have to go there. He doesn't have to go there. उ त्यहाँ जानु पर्दैन He doesn't have to go there जान्ने मान्छेले उसले पासपोर्ट ल्याउनु पर्दैन भन्नु पर्यो भने He doesn't have to take his passport. उसले उसको पासपोर्ट ल्याउनु पर्दैन What does he have to do? उसले के गर्नु पर्छ What does he have to do? उसले के गर्नु पर्छ सोधेको अब उसले 10 जनाको लागि ब्रेकफास्ट तयार गर्नु पर्छ भन्नु पर्यो भने He has to prepare breakfast for 10. उसले 10 जनाको लागि ब्रेकफास्ट तयार गर्नु पर्छ यसरी has to को प्रयोग हुन्छ अब had to भनेको पर्दथ्यो or didn't have to पर्दैन थियो हुँदैन थियो जस्तो तिमी त्यहाँ जानु पर्थ्यो भन्नु पर्यो भने you had to go there तिमी त्यहाँ जानु पर्थ्यो you had to go there तिमी त्यहाँ जानु हुँदैन थियो you didn't have to go there you didn't have to go there तिमी त्यहाँ जानु हुँदैन थियो पर्दैन थियो He had to help her उसले उनलाई सहयोग गर्नु पर्दथ्यो He had to help her अनि उसले उनलाई सहयोग गर्नु हुँदैन थियो आफै काम गर्न दिनु पर्थ्यो भन्नु पर्यो भने He didn't have to help her He didn't have to help her उसले उनलाई सहयोग गर्नु हुँदैन थियो अथवा पर्दैन थियो। नम्बर 2, you had to finish this work. तिमीले यो काम सिद्ध्याउनु पर्थ्यो। तिमीले यो काम हिजो सिद्ध्याउनु पर्थ्यो भन्नु पर्यो भने you had to finish this work yesterday. You had to finish this work yesterday. हिजो सिद्ध्याउनु पर्थ्यो। ओके? अनि they didn't have to go there. तिनीहरू त्यहाँ जानु पर्दैन थियो अथवा त्यहाँ जानु हुँदैन थियो। They didn't have to go there. Okay? You had to come here yesterday. तिमी हिजो यहाँ आउनु पर्दथ्यो। You had to come here yesterday. यसरी have to, has to र had to चाहिँ हेर्यौं। अब नेगेटिभ कन्ट्र्याक्टेड फर्महरूको स्टडी गर्छौं। हजुरले यो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुभएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब बटनमा क्लिक गर्नुहोला। नेगेटिभ एन्ड कन्ट्र्याक्टेड फर्म अफ द ऑक्सिलरी verbs, सहायक क्रियाका नकारात्मक तथा छोटा नकारात्मक फर्महरू। यस सकारात्मक चाहिँ होइन, नेगेटिभ एन्ड कन्ट्र्याक्टेड फर्म, यो शब्द हटाइदिनु होला। ओके? ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब इज, ऑक्सिलरी प्लस नट, इज नट, ऑक्सिलरी प्लस एन अपोस्ट्रोफी टी, isn't, isn't, pronunciation, isn't, 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 okay? Am not, अब यसको कन्ट्र्याक्टेड फर्म हुँदैन, एमन्ट भन्ने हुँदैन। त्यसकारण आइसँग नै आउने हो एम, त्यही भएर I'm not, I'm not, I'm not, okay? Are not, aren't, 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 okay? Aren't. Was not, wasn't, 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 were not, weren't, 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 they weren't waiting for us. तिनीहरू हामीलाई पर्खिरहेका थिएनन्। have not, haven't, 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 okay? Has not, hasn't, 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 okay? Had not, hadn't, 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 okay? त्यस्तै do, do not, don't, don't, does, does not, doesn't, 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 did not, didn't, 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 यसलाई didn't भन्ने पनि गरिन्छ, didn't भन्यो भने राम्रो हुन्छ। shall not, shan't, shan't, यो long भनेर बोलन्छ, shan't, should not, shouldn't, shouldn't. यो should होइन, यो should हो। यो ल साइलेन्ट हुन्छ। should, should not, shouldn't, okay? Will not, won't, won't, okay? यो would हो, would होइन। would, would not, wouldn't, okay? Can, cannot, एकै ठाउँ जोडिन्छ। cannot, can't, okay? अब कलाई ख भनेर ब्रिटिश प्रोनाउन्सिएसन हुन सक्दाखेरि यो can't पनि हुन सक्छ। can't नै can't, I can't, sorry, I can't, यस्तो can't कहिलेकाहीँ can't पनि हुन्छ। यो could होइन, यो could हो। could not, couldn't, okay? Now, may not, mayn't, might not, mightn't, must not, mustn't, need not, needn't, dare not, daren't, okay? ought not, oughtn't to, या टू थियो है, सरी है। ought to, ought not, and ought not to पनि थियो यहाँ। अनि oughtn't to, used to, used not to, okay? didn't, used to, did not, used to, यहाँ did not, used to भने पनि हुन्छ। used not to भन्ने चलन पनि छ। did not, used to, didn't, used to, यी चाहिँ कन्ट्र्याक्टेड फर्महरू भए। त्यस्तै एफर्मेटिभ और पोजिटिभ सेन्टेन्सको कुरा गर्ने हो भने चाहिँ a positive sentence expresses agreement, support or confirmation. सकारात्मक वाक्यले सहमति, सहयोग र पुष्टि आदि व्यक्त गर्दछ। जस्तो he is waiting for you, ऊ तिमीलाई पर्खिरहेको छ। they are going to college, तिनीहरू कलेज जाँदैछन्। we have been to Nagarkot, हामी नगरकोट गएका छौं। अब यो we have been to Nagarkot, यो gone र been को बारेमा छुट्टै भिडियो छ। कुन प्रयोग हुन्छ भन्ने बारेमा हजुरलाई आवश्यक परेमा भन्नुहोला र यसै भिडियो तल मैले कम्प्लिट ग्रामर प्लेलिस्टहरु राखिदिएको हुन्छु, त्यो पनि हेर्न नभुल्नुहोला। सब्स्क्राइब गर्न, शेयर गर्न, विशेष गरी शेयर गर्न, लाइक र कमेन्ट गर्न पनि नभुल्नुहोला। Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.